Kiwibit smart wired camera has a wire. You can plug it into a USB, or it also comes with a plug like this. So you can plug it in here and then plug it into a wall outlet. All right, this does obviously have an app. The app works very well, pretty much seamlessly. In the app, you can have the ability to talk through this, make it a microphone. You also have the ability to obviously listen to what's going on. You have an alarm, which I won't set off. You have the ability to turn a light on, which I'll do right there. So it has a light, it has night vision, it has history. So if there's motion, it has a motion detection capabilities inside the app that you can turn on that will to let you know when there's motion, and this will start recording. You go back in time, you can take screenshots with the app, you can make it full screen. And if we go into the settings, you can see all the different settings here. You have motion setting, alarm settings, video settings. You can make the video color, black and white. You can make the alarm loud or not loud, you know, turn the volume up or down. You can have the volume of the voice up or down. You can also store on the cloud. You can also share, it looks like. There's also an installation guide. I'm not sure why you need an installation guide, but it's on there. The other thing too is that this is a magnetic base. So it comes with this base that you can attach with screws, or you can use a sticker that it comes with in here to attach this up somewhere. And it has a lot of adjustment. So you can see that it's got 2 articulating points there. So you can adjust this and adjust that. So very nice, very lightweight, and I like the black color because cameras, you kind of want them to hide away and not see them, and it's nice. It also has a light here that I'm not sure I brought up, but you can also turn on a light. Yeah, good job, guys.